Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin our video 3 of chapter 10, which is debentures. Now, the topic is again sources of raising capital as to how the company raises the capital. This is another method is through the debentures. So, in this chapter, we'll be this part of the chapter we are going to do with what do you mean by debentures, what are the types of debentures, and the difference between shares and debentures. Okay, what do you mean by debentures? The word debenture itself is a derivation of the Latin word deber, which means to borrow or loan. Okay, debentures are written instruments of debt that the company issues under their common seal. They are similar to a loan certificate. Debenture is used to issue the loan by the government and companies. The loan is issued at a fixed interest depending upon the reputation of the company. When companies need to borrow some money to expand themselves, they take the help of debentures. Debentures are issued to the public as a contract of repayment of money borrowed from them. These debentures are for a fixed period and a fixed interest rate that can be payable yearly or half yearly. Debentures are also offered to the public at large, like equity shares. Debentures are actually the most common way for large companies to borrow money, isn't it? Shares, it can be a nominal value depending upon the reputation of the company, how much the value of share is. Maybe it can be also 100,000, 3,000 per share. But when you talk about debentures, it is a really high amount, huge amount. So what is it? Debenture is an instrument which is, as a proof of protection, which is given to the public that they have invested money and they get that certificate. Okay, and this amount they give it for a particular period of time and they get a fixed rate of interest whether the company is running at a profit or loss. Okay, and it is also given same as shares, at that much as are issued to public. Then what are the different types of debentures? Secured debentures, unsecured debentures, redeemable debenture, irredeemable debentures. These debentures that are secured against an assets of the company, any asset of a company, like for example a building or the furnitures of the company, whatever it is, asset. This means a charge is credited on such an asset in the case of default and repayment of such debentures. So in case the company does not have enough fund to repay such debentures, the said asset will be sold to pay such a loan. The charge may be fixed, that is against a specific assets, or floating, that is against all the assets of the firm, right? So what happens is the person who is a debenture holder, he has given money to the company for a fixed period of time. So if the company is not able to pay back the money on that very stipulated period, so the asset which has been assigned against it, the company will sell that asset and then pay back the money, or any other asset which has the same value which the debenture has been bought for. Okay, unsecured debentures, these are not secured by any charge against the assets of the company, neither fixed nor floating. Normally such kinds of debentures are not issued by companies in India. This is not done here. Now redeemable debentures, these debentures are payable at an expiry of the term, which means at the end of a specific period they are payable either in lump sum or in installment over a time period. Such debentures can be redeemed at par, premium, or at discount. Okay, so redeemable debentures, there are particular rate at par, premium, or at discount. Means at par means whatever the value of debenture was at the time when that was sold to the public, or premium is added amount, or at discount means the amount has been reduced. Okay, then irredeemable debentures, such debentures are perpetual in nature. There is no fixed date at which they become payable. They are redeemable when the company goes into liquidation process, or they can be redeemable after an unspecified long time interval. These amount, there is no fixed time. Liquidation means what? When the company is going to wind up, they're going to finish up, they're selling up all the properties and giving back all the monies to them. That type of debentures is irredeemable debenture. Now let's see what is the difference between shares and debentures. Shareholders are the owners, debenture holders are the creditors of the company. Shareholders have their voting right. Debenture holders do not have any voting right. Shareholders are entitled for return in the form of dividend. They get, and these debenture holders are entitled in the form of interest which is being fixed. And this shareholders, that depends upon whether it is a preferential share, whether it is an equity shares, which we have discussed before, isn't it? Then shares cannot be converted into debentures, but debentures can be converted into shares. Then obligations of return. Dividend is appropriation of profit. Dividend will not be paid if losses are incurred by the company. Interest is charged against profit. Interest is payable even if there is no profit. As like the equity shareholders, preferential shareholders, they should be paid. But the equity shareholders will not be paid if the company is running at a loss, right? But in case of a debenture, what happens is whether the company is running at a profit or loss, their fixed amount has been, interest has been decided from before, so that amount should be given to the debenture holders. Risk. Investment in shares is unsecured, because if your company is at a loss, your share value will keep on going down. If debentures are secured against assets, they are less risky, as risk involved is secured against the asset, isn't it? The first type which we did, in that case, secured debentures, what happens, like if they are not able to pay back the money, so the asset of that amount will be sold and given to the debenture holder, right? But in case of shares, if the company is running at a loss, so they will not be getting any dividend for it. They will slowly have to sell those shares in the stock market, right? Then issue. The issue of shares at a discount needs adherence to the restriction imposed by the Section 97 of the Companies Act. There is no such restriction for issuing debentures on discount. Like now what happens is, shares, if the company's is not, in reputation is not good, so but still they want to get some money, so they can sell it at a discount, and they have to get some permission has to be received from the Companies Act. Okay. Then payment to the shareholders is made after the settlement of the external liabilities, that is debenture holders. So before these are paid, so first when the liquidation means with the countries, when the company wind up or they want to finish off, close the company, then in that case the debenture holders will be first paid and then the shareholders. Okay.